Naira, dollar, pounds and euro. Naira, dollar, pounds and euro. Naira, dollar, pounds and euro. Ego, ego.
All the train of unity, the train of peace and reconciliation, the train of prosperity, the train of legacy for future generations. That train can be done to now hand you. Now hand your head and you will no more now. Today, I had the new one I want. Get on board, and then you make train here. This train of unity. I want to bring you the video today. I'm in a dream United, all about the United Kingdom. We will do something better than this woman no more now.
I know me where go. Police I know me where go. What's in any full ego nanya? Nanya ego kailiwe. Zia money, kabi koruta no mi baka o. Naira, dollar, pounds and euro, ego karumaka. Inukeli nukala ngwa barabiaman, barabiama kada. C'est sérieux, kada.
Great honor, I don't know yet today. Great honor is that Yamu is best time that guy Iriji. Other Kama is significant of Iriji. Iriji, the way our ancestors remain. Oh, a week before they reach the New Year Festival. I can make a week of peace. A week of peace, that there will be no misunderstanding. There will be no quarrel of fighting among the community. So only let me have today proof for that there is unity in strength. I might attend with two groups of Igbo communities in Birmingham. But today, these two groups have come together to say no, we must overcome our differences. We must overcome our differences. We must triumph over the forces of division. Today, all the great day for the people of Birmingham, and we say thank you, Birmingham. Thank you for this great effort. Our day is going to two groups together. That's why, okay, my president, we have seen that president here. You see, yes, Mr. President, I will be here. I will get honor to be part of history. To be part of a great history today in Birmingham. After my president, I think I'm here today. I got a G, aeroplane are down here. I got a G, limousine are down here. I'm a G train are down here. That train will go up here, I won't Virgin train, no more now. I won't London Midland train. I won't Oil Star train. All the train of unity, the train of peace and reconciliation, the train of prosperity, the train of legacy for future generations. That train can Nigeria to not hand you. Now I'm your head and you won't know more now. Now come back to now you know every group to come inside this train. Get on board this train. Let us move forward. Let us move forward to prosperity. Let us move forward to unity. Let us be something great for future generations that they will be proud of us. 1939, our fathers in Liverpool had the first Igbo Union. Then the United Kingdom had the United and I proved here by building a house in Liverpool. I can have Igbo house now in Liverpool. I know the proud of, but we do not contribute to it. And the example to follow. It's unfortunate that today we have diverted from the way anyway. We have so many organizations here and there, so many traditions here and there. This is not the example they should for us. We must endeavor to sacrifice our personal interest and the order of unity of Igbo people. Today, I had the people that want to get on board. I thought you made clear here. This kind of unity. I want to let me have the ability to go today. I mean, being united, all about the United Kingdom. We will do something better than this. Now. I go now taking his camera. Now I'm attend down the street to speak to him about the interest of Igbo people. I can't shine it. I can't shine it. When I give you the presentation in Abuja, I give him a dollar and Odinamo Nzibu. I want to shine it. I'm going to get at the back up. So today, once again, let me have congratulations. We will follow your way of unity and you continue to bring the path of unity. And let me have again with the sum of 50 pounds from Igbo community Coventry. From Igbo community Coventry. The great Igbo community Coventry has shown us the very word. This way, so they are showing the path of unity. May God guide you through it. Today, and this bottle of hot and champagne. In the baby hand, baby said never yet.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Wake up call. That's a wake up call for Umuyibo.
Ni na lo we bi ji ke be